Welcome to the assembly video of the Noddy scooter by Dash Star. The box includes front handle, front fork, front wheel, and main body. Take the front wheel and insert it into the main body as shown in the video. Now take the front fork and align it with the front wheel with the help of a pin lock and tighten the side lock as shown. Now place the handle in its place as shown and tighten the side look as shown. Open the cell cap beneath the main body when joining the wire with the battery provided for light and music. Fix the cell cap back to its place. Place the red button for light and music. Press the mudguard to apply the brakes. Now this scooter is ready for your use.